How to make a name invisible on Instagram. So first things first is of course open up and run your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So unfortunately, you won't be able to have an empty display name on Instagram, but instead you just have to at least put a space or a dot or any special characters in it. To do so, at the top right portion of your screen, you should be able to see three lines and then head over to Account Center and then go into Profiles, go to the current profile that you would like the name to be invisible, and head over to Name. So in here, just simply change this to space or just a dot character. And by the way, you can only change your name twice within 14 days. So that's basically it. That's the only way for you to be able to have an invisible name on Instagram.